Have you ever been in a situation where you have a list of file names and just need the names without the extension? Here's the clean way to do it in Python. We will loop over the list, and for each of the files, we will split them by the period. And this turns the file name into a string. Let me show you using list comprehension. Update equals to our item in files items dot items dot split by the period. If I run this, I will get this. This is basically splitting each of the file by the period. Okay. Now we are going to use slice to grab everything except the last item, which is the extension name. And this we are going to be using list slicing. So basically we'll be doing. So what this does is pick the first item in the list until second to the last item in the list. So let me explain that concept. So if I do print in.txt dot split by the period, it's going to give me name and txt. And if I decide to use 0, it's going to give me the first item on the list. If I pick that -1, it's going to give me the last item in the list. And let me give you a quick example with comma -1. It's going to see it's going to pick the first item up until second to the last item on the list. So this is a concept we'll be employing to get the file name because of this item on the list that have 2 periods. We're using this idea, comment this out, and join all the items on the list that were picked. So using join, we run this. And there we go. You can also use map, which means that we are going to define a function, and that function is going to take an element in the list and it's going to perform this operation. Okay, let me define the function first. Then remove extension, takes an element in the list, and it does this. Update list map, give it a function with the iterable, which is our files. I'm going to print my updates, and it's going to do the same thing with us using for loop and comprehension. And that is it. If you find this kind of daily Python tips helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, follow for more, and drop a thank you.